Why quantum mechanics only works on the microscopic scale. Quantum mechanics, where particles teleport and exist everywhere at once. But why does this only happen with atoms and not your daily objects? At minuscule scales, particles can be in superposition, meaning they exist in multiple states at the same time. It's like they're everywhere and nowhere. But when you throw a ball, it lands exactly where you expect. A cat is either awake or asleep, never both. So how does the world switch from weird to normal? The secret is decoherence. Tiny particles stay isolated and quantum. Bigger things bump into light, air, and heat, which messes up their quantum magic. Plus, large objects are made of trillions of particles. All those tiny quantum uncertainties cancel out, leaving you with something solid, stable, and classical. Scientists don't give up. They build quantum computers and entangle bigger objects. But the bigger it gets, the tougher it is to keep that quantum vibe alive. So, quantum mechanics is everywhere. It's just hiding behind complexity when it comes to the big stuff you see every day. Maybe one day, we'll lift that curtain. Until then, quantum strangeness is a secret of the tiny world, waiting for curious minds like you to explore.